Let's learn how you can cancel Spotify premium subscription. So let us start by opening our Spotify application. Now you want to click on your profile picture in top left corner, then click on settings and privacy, and then click on account option. Now you will see here section your plan and monthly subscription. You want to click on it. As you can see, I am already in family subscription, but you can go and see all plans. So just click on that, and here you need to select different Spotify subscription. So let us say student. You want to click on this change plan. Now it will redirect you to the Spotify website, and here you will see, if you scroll down, subscription section, and here you can cancel your Spotify subscription. Here you need to click on it and just click on yes, cancel. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.